Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. So a few days back, one of my friends, Vaibhav, told me to make a video on the topic paraphraser. So here we have this video on paraphrasing tools. Paraphrasing tools can come in very handy, especially when you're writing an essay, blog, research paper, article, or any other kind of written content where you have to deliver unique and comprehensive results. So to help you guys out, I'm going to list the top 10 paraphrasing tools you should definitely try out. Direct links for all the websites mentioned will be given in the description box down below. So number one on the list is quillbot.com. Even though it has a lot of restrictions in its free version, it does the job for me because it has the best dynamic text processing algorithms and the output it gives is just amazing. In its free version, it is kind of restricted to only 400 characters and has the option of only adjusting the fluency. On number 2, we have goparaphrase.com. So GoParaphrase is completely free and has no word limits. So you can even enter 10,000 characters. It also gives you a free plagiarism checker. The only downside of this website is that there are a couple of ads here and there and you have to enter the captcha every time you use the tool. Next up, we have prepostseo.com. So once you open this website up, you will see a lot of SEO tools here and there, as the website also claims it has 95 plus free online tools. So the first two is the plagiarism checker, second one is article rewriter, third one is the paraphrasing tool. So article rewriter and the paraphrasing tool are pretty much the same. So this is article rewriter and this is paraphrasing tool. They are kind of same and does the same job as well. Also, this website has no word limit and gives you the option of choosing between simple, advanced, fluency and creative. At number 4, we have SEOwagon.com. This website is very much similar to the previous website as this has a lot of SEO tools built in. Click on article rewriter, close the ad, and there we go. We can see this is the article rewriter. I have tried all of these and have found that paraphrasing or article rewriting on SEOwagon.com takes more amount of time as compared to its competitors. However, it is completely free to use and there are no word limits. At number 5, we have coderduck.com. So once this website opens up, scroll down below and click on article rewriter. This website is also completely free and there are no word limits. Next up, we have spinbot.com. Spinbot.com also works like a charm. It has a character limit of 10,000, but the output from this website is just phenomenal. Next up on the list, we have DupliChecker. So this website is famous for its plagiarism checking. However, it also has a paraphrasing tool. You can see the paraphrasing tool button over here. So this is the paraphrasing tool or the article rewriter. This tool has a limit of 2000 words. You might encounter a couple of ads here and there on the website and you have to fill a captcha every time you use this tool, but all that pain goes away because the UI is very clean and nice. At number 8, we have paraphraseonline.com. User experience on paraphraseonline.com is very good because of its clean and simple layout. By the way, you should note that this tool has a limit of 1000 characters. At number 9 on the list, we have Spinner Chief. So the latest version of Spinner Chief is Spinner Chief 6. By the way, people who use this software tend to buy the premium version because the free version doesn't offer much. You can download its free desktop version or can register for the free web version. This tool will only provide their service when you sign up on their website. Last but not the least, we have spinrewriter.com. Like the previous website, you need to create an account and sign up for their service on this website as well. However, you can try it for free as a demo. So that is it for this video guys. Hope you all enjoyed. Till the time, peace, and I'll see you in the next one.